Alright, so another quick live. I like doing the unboxings like separately just because I don't like doing them all together. But this is my Walmart unboxing. This stuff, it's like a seasonal thing. But you get all these like little samples, and I thought it was really cute to show you. I did open it. I didn't really look at it, so yeah. So here is the little card. It's the Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty card that they gave me. And so I got the self tan drops, Tannologist. I have no idea what this is. This is a sample, and it is not on here, but it gave me like a little packet right here, which I thought was really cool. This is Tannologist, your glow, your shade, your way, designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Tannologist self-tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customizable. The more drops you add, the darker your tan. Getting bronze has never been easier. Our skin-saving trio of pink, grapefruit, goji berry, and juniper work to brighten, soften, and hydrate. Plus, no blocked pores, no drying effect on the skin, no tan transfer onto sheets or clothes. This is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. So that's nice that they added that in there. I might give that a try. I don't know. I don't know. So, ooh, this is a peel-off mask. Seventh Heaven Charcoal Peel-Off Mask, Cleansing, Detoxifying. I do need to do that. But the full size is 137. It's a one sheet. So I guess this is, oh, they sell the single masks. So and I think I paid like, how much is the box? Like 12 something, I think, or five. I don't remember, but so that's pretty neat that it comes with this. But it's, I don't know about the peel off. I'll give it a try. But all right, scrunchies. Ooh, that's actually really handy. I might just leave these here so I can wear them. But the scrunchies, Wild Primrose by Scrunchies Hair Accessories, retail between $4.97 to $7.97. But yeah, that's nice. I like that. Gave me 5 scrunchies. A plain black, a glittery one, a silky one, another silky one, and a leather one. So that will come in handy whenever I do my lives. Plus, it's also really better to use those and not like the skinnier headband or ponytails, because it's not good for your hair. All right, this is Hello, the charcoal, activated charcoal with fresh mint plus coconut, epic whitening, fluoride free toothpaste. I got a 1 ounce, but the retail of this for the full size at 4 ounces is $3.99. I've never tried tried these, but it seems interesting to try it. I don't know. All right, next thing is Humphreys Witch Hazel Alcohol Free Toner. It's a Nourish with Aloe with wild crop certified witch hazel. So that's cool. It's a toner that The last box that I got here, they gave me a toner, which I thought was ridiculous, but whatever. I don't use a lot of toners. The full size of this is $10.98, and it's usually 8 ounces, and I got 3.3 ounces, so it's almost like halfway to like a full ounce almost. Barely, but almost. I don't normally use these, but maybe I'll just give these to my mom or something. But I got these Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Paint Palette. Full size is $6.97 for 32 strips. And I got 20 gel nail strips. That's cool. Yeah, I think I might just give this to my mom. She might like this. I think this is cute though. Like, it's cheetah print with glitter, and then it has like plain stuff. I don't know. She might like that. I think this is actually not that bad of a box. If it's like $5, I think it paid for it with the products that I got. I think that's actually not that bad. But yeah, not that bad of a box. My dog's making noises back there. Alright, you guys, I'm going to hop off here. I don't know if I have any more makeup unboxings. I know I have ColourPop Lizzie McGuire, but I'm going to do a try-on with that, and then I got Morphe. So, and I'd like to do a try-on for that one too, so I might set those off for tomorrow when I get the chance to. And I think that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys have a good night, and you guys will see me tomorrow. Bye, guys.